Hi, Duncan from Sewing Direct. Just wanted to do a quick video about the Juki 22QVP sewing machine. Fantastic machine, and if you're looking for a heavy duty machine or a machine that just does a straight stitch, it's certainly one that I would recommend you looking at. It's got all of the basic features you need: stitch length, automatic cutter, needle down function and reverse. Feed dogs can also drop, speed adjustment as well. It's got a fantastic needle threader, and you've got a tension dial on the front. It comes with an extension table, so for you quilters out there, in fact this machine was bought out for the quilters. If you're looking for a quilting machine, then this one will also do the job. We'll do some sewing now. So one of the great features about the Juki is the needle threader. Very easy to use. I'll just try and demonstrate it now. So you little lever just here, push that down, and that engages the needle threader, pushes it round, push it across. That's simple. Pull it out. There you go. So on this sew test, we're just going to go through a couple of layers of calico. So laid over once. So there's 4 layers of calico. And what I love about the Juki is the sound. They've all got a really nice sound to them, nice and smooth. So that's 4 layers of calico. Fold over again. Nice cutter system as well. There you go, nice stitches. Get some denim involved. I'll class this as medium to thick denim. Fold it over like that. You've got a press to foot pressure adjustment as well on these machines, which is just at the top there. There is a speed adjustment as well, so we can put that up there. As you can see, it goes very quick. So doubling that over again. So I'm going to double this over. So through this bit here, I'll put the speed down. We're getting quite thick now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Sew through that without a problem at all. So if you're looking for a easy to use powerhouse, then the 2200QVP is a consideration.